Hi friends, this is Sagar Thakker over here and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's session, I shall be teaching you how to perform formatting shortcuts in Excel. In my previous video, you had seen how to do editing shortcuts. So, in today's session, we will be learning how to perform formatting shortcuts. Let's begin. So, let's begin with the first formula. The first formula is bold. For that, the shortcut key is Control B. So, say for example, if you wish to perform, if you wish to do this sentence into a bold character, so simply you can press B over here, or either instead of hovering with the mouse, you can simply press Control and B. See, this is how you can perform the bold of any sentence. Now, let's go to the next formula. Say for example, you wish to perform italic for the sentence. So, the shortcut key for the same is Control I. You simply press Control I, and as you can see, the sentence over here has transformed into an italic format. Let's go to the third format. Now, say for example, you have written a sentence that is fill in the blanks. Now you wish to make this word blank go into an underline. So you want an underline beneath this word blank. So you will simply press Control and U and press enter. So as you can see over here, the word blank has an underline beneath it. If you wish to perform the underline function for the whole sentence, you can simply do by pressing it as Control and U. See, the whole sentence over here was underlined. Going to the next format, the fourth one. So, the shortcut for doing undo. Suppose I had written the sentence over here as fill in the blanks. Now, I did by mistakenly, I pressed on Control B and I made this sentence as bold. Now, if I wish to bring this sentence back to its original format and not into a bold, I will simply press Control and Z. See, as you can see, the format which I had done by mistakenly has been removed and I have brought the same sentence back into its original format. Let's go to the next formula, that is redo. Suppose you wish to perform this the function over here as fill in the blanks as again bold. So you will simply press Control Y. Control Y. See, as you can see, the wordings which you had earlier done into a normal thing by pressing Control and Z, and you want to bring that thing back into the bold, so you can simply press Control and Y. With this help, you can always bring the format back into the place which you had deleted by mistake by pressing the undo button. Now let's go to the next formula, that is select all used cell. The formula number 6. If you wish to select the whole table, say starting from the cell A1 till cell C15. So it is very simple. You will simply hover to any of the cell in the table. Say right now I am into the cell B11 and I wish to highlight or select this whole table from A1 to C15, I will simply press Ctrl A. See, as you can see, the whole table has been selected. Now, as you can see in the brackets, if you select, if you press Ctrl A once again, the entire worksheet will be selected. So let's do it again. We will press Ctrl A once again. Ctrl A. See, as you can see, the entire worksheet has been selected. Now, let's go to the next formula. That is the formula number 7. So, brings up the format cells menu. Suppose you wish to perform the format, if for example, if you wish to change the format of the desired cell, you will simply press Ctrl and 1. Now, as you can see, the format cells box has been opened. With the help of this format cells box, you can simply change the format of the selected cells. Say for example, if you wish to change the format of the current cell, that is B10, into a text format. So you will simply press Ctrl and 1, and when this box is opened, you will then select the word text, and then you will say OK. See, now as you can see, this cell has now been converted into the format of text, which was earlier into general format. So instead of hovering with your mouse, you can simply press Ctrl 1 and select the desired format. Now let's go to the next formula, that is the formula number 8. Suppose you are into the cell G10 and you write today's date, say 6th May 2020, and you press enter. So as you can see over here, so instead of writing it into date format, it has simply written it is simply written into a number format. So how do you transform it into a date format? You simply press Ctrl Shift and hash. See, now the thing which was earlier into a number format, now it has converted itself into a date format. And as you can see over here, it is 6th May 20. Let's go to the next formula. That is the formula number 9. Say for example, over here, you wish to write a percentage, say 9%, and you press enter. As you can see over here, instead of writing into as 9%, it has written as 0.09. So you wish to perform it as 9%. So you can easily write it down. You can simply use the formula Control Shift and percent, or else alternatively you can also use the formula as Alt H and P. See, now the format has changed into a percentage, and you can see percentage instead of a number format. Let's go to the next formula, that is the 10th one. How to increase the font size. We will hover over to the cell B12. Say for example, I wish to increase the font size of the cell B12. So instead of hovering with the mouse over here, I can simply press Alt, H, F and G. See? So now the earlier font size was 12, which has increased to 14. Let's go to the next one, that is the 11th. Now, say for example, you wish to decrease the font size. So again, instead of hovering with the mouse, you can simply press Alt H F K. See, again, this font size which was earlier 14, now it has converted into 12. The next one, the formula number 12. Now, say for example, you have written it as equal to 100 divided by 3. As you can see over here, the number which is shown is 33.33. You wish to increase the number of decimals. Instead of having 2 decimals, you wish to have 4 decimals. So you will simply use the formula, that is Alt H 0. Again Alt H 0. Remember my friends, if you press Alt H 0 for the ones, it will only increase the decimal point by one number. So if you wish to increase the decimal points by n number of numbers, you have to press the formula the number of times you wish to increase the decimals. Over here, earlier it was showing 2 decimals and I wanted to increase it by more 2 decimals. Hence I had to press the formula 2 times. Now going to the next formula, that is formula number 13. Now I wish to decrease the decimal formula. As you can see in this example, we have written the number as 33.333 and 3. So over here you can see there are 4 decimals. Now you wish to reduce it to only 2 decimals. So how will you do it? You will press Alt H9. Once again, Alt H9. See, as you can see, the decimal points has been reduced to 2, which was earlier 4. Again in this formula, if you wish to reduce the decimal points by two decimals, you have to press the formula twice. So friends, this was it for today. Let's catch up in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.